Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Fiat Chrysler has issued a recall for 154,000 Dodge and Jeep vehicles because a faulty coating on their rear brake caliper pistons may cause reduced braking performance. This recall affects 2018 and 2019 Dodge Caravans, 2018 Dodge Journeys, as well as 2018 and 19 Jeep Compasses and Jeep Cherokees. Fiat Chrysler expects this recall, which includes replacing the brake fluid and bleeding the system, to commence next month. Volkswagen is getting ready to invest upwards of $4 billion in the digital aspects of its business in the coming years. This includes making an all-new in-car operating system called vw.OS that will allow the company to issue over-the-air updates to vehicles. It's also building a new car-sharing service called WeShare, which launches in Berlin next year with over 2,000 vehicles and is meant to compete with BMW and Mercedes. Nissan's plant in Smyrna, Tennessee is old. It's been building Nissan since the early 1980s, and they reckon it's time for a refresh ahead of production commencing on the new 2019 Altima. How much is it investing in this refresh? Oh, only 170 million bones, clams, or whatever you call them. We can only assume that this means that the new Altima will be extra great. Fingers crossed. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.